morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. It has been a few weeks again, I'm so sorry. My parents came to visit for 2 weeks and it just got so busy, and then I quit my job. So here's an update for you. I decided to hand in my 2-week notice at my job and I decided to leave. Not to go into too much detail, but I did feel like if I didn't do that, my career could possibly be restricted, and also like my own social media accounts. So I had to do it for myself. So I'm very happy and proud of my decision, but your girl is currently unemployed. So my last day was just over a week ago. I have applied for many jobs. I've had quite a few interviews, so hopefully we find something soon. But as for today's video, I am going to Vero Beach in Florida with Beth and Sarah and Meg to celebrate Beth's birthday. Very belated because Beth's birthday was actually in March. So we are finally celebrating. But did you know Disney has a hotel in Vero Beach in Florida? I had no idea. We are going for just one night, but I'm really excited. Vero Beach is approximately just over 2 hours from us. So Beth's about to get here now, and then her and I are driving together, and Sarah and Meg are driving together. But we're just spending the night at the beach and at this Disney resort. So I'm really excited because I knew there was one in Hilton Head in South Carolina, but I did not know that we had one in Florida. So just 2 hours away from Walt Disney World. So I'm going to take you with me as much as I can. I'll show you the room that we have and I'll show you the resort and see how it compares to a Disney resort here in Orlando. But I'm very excited. So welcome back. We're going to be vlogging and I'm just excited for this trip. I feel like I need it. I haven't been to the beach for years, I feel like, and so I'm excited to just, you know, have some time with my friends at the beach. I think it'll be really fun. And yeah, so I'm all packed, ready to go. I'm just gonna put my stuff in the car and then we will leave. So we've just arrived. Oh my gosh, it looks so gorgeous already. So they told us to pull up the car and then like come in, check in, and then they'll give us a parking pass to the garage, which is like underneath. So, oh my gosh, there's Beth. Happy belated birthday. Thank you. You are welcome. I'm so excited. Oh, so they have a little shop there, I think. Look at the rocking chairs. I love, oh my gosh, the turtles, I mean. Look at the ears. Oh my gosh. So this is right off the lobby. It's like a little shop. It has merchandise, food and drinks. I wonder if it's stuff that the parks have too, yeah. Oh my god, and a little pin board. That's fun. The little hidden Mickey in the water. It's grapefruit, orange, lemon and lime. So we have come out the back, so this is like the back view, and then we've got cornhole here, which is so fun. I can literally hear the ocean. And then I'm assuming this is the pool. Don't know, I've never been. Oh yeah, the little pool bar.
At night time they just have like little red lights on. Because they can't have like, they shut all the curtains inside. So cute.
That's so sweet. Beth's given us a guided tour. So we're in the quick service, but it's also a little shop, so it's got like bucket and spades. Oh, they do the resort mug still. So you can still get your refillable resort mug, $21.99, and then it's free, not free, but unlimited refills. I love, these are different to the park, so they're the same.
I don't know, it just says Walt Disney
Walt
World.
Disney World, so I guess the same.
I guess the same, it has like pop and stuff on.
That's cute, I like these. And then, yeah, snacks and stuff. And this is where you would fill them up, so the teas, coffees, sodas, whatever. And then
chocolate,
fridge.
Coffee, iced coffee.
Iced coffee, no.
Iced coffee is a thing.
Oh, you should get one, you would love that. And another pin board, so there was one in the other gift shop. Oh, is that Princess Leia? Cute.
Sure, it looks like it.
Aww. This is tonight's dinner specials. I'm eyeing up this beef stroganoff. They also have like a big menu of all the different things that you can possibly get. So, and a build your own salad bar, which is pretty cool. I love feta cheese. Ooh, them red peppers. This is the pool, and it's got a water slide, which I like. I'm gonna be going down that later.
You better be on that slide later.
I will be.
I'll video it for everybody, don't worry.
Okay, perfect, thank you. Okay, we're going through to the beach. We haven't seen it yet, but I can see blue.
The water is so blue.
It is so blue, oh my gosh. See the green gobbler? Oh, it's stunning. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so nice. So you can also rent chairs and umbrellas and everything from here, and so they have special pricing for DVC members versus resort members. Yeah, you can even do bodyboards, so that's pretty cool. Oh, I love it. We're going from the resort to across the road, but you can actually cross underneath, so you don't have to beat all the traffic. But it's additional recreation activities. Yeah, so we're gonna go see what that's about. A little mural. Oh, that's funny. I like that. Tinkerbell! Is that whose feet it was? Tinkerbell?
It makes more sense if you come the other way.
The other way? Oh, because it's the... I was going to say the loft.
Walking across the street, like when you arrive.
Yeah.
You come through and it has like Disney music playing.
This is fun. I was going to say the Lost Bros. Close enough, the Lost Boys. Oh, I like this. Oh yeah, Peter.
And then they have like pixie dust connecting them all because they're flying.
And then it's the sky. Oh, and they have You Can Fly, You Can Fly. There's Wendy. It's his name, Little John. Did I make that up?
Little John? Little John. Little John's from Robin Hood.
So they've got a little football field, some undercover shaded areas, and then they also have a little volleyball court. So this is all across the road from the resort, but it's still part of the resort. So we just did a walk around the resort, and this is the little crocodile from Peter Pan, little topiary. So I love this little mosaic on the floor in the lobby. It's also sea turtle season, so we've seen some nests on the beach, but no actual turtles yet. Look at the backdrop of the front desk, it's so cute. It's very Florida, very Florida. They also have like the spring menu, blackberry cobbler latte, that sounds good. Strawberry milkshake, cold brews, very nice. Maybe get one of these tomorrow.
You can meet a sea turtle specialist in the morning.
Wait, what? That's cool.
As they search for signs of turtle activity.
That's really fun.
Can we go tomorrow?
Yeah. Interested in seeing a nestling sea turtle? Take a guided night walk.
Why?
Oh man.
That would be fun, but I don't know if I can wake up at 7 a.m.
Yeah. Okay, so this is our room. We've just checked in. It's just after 2, I believe. I can't tell you because the clock in here says that it's 11:15 at night. But we have a little kitchenette, which I didn't realize all DVC rooms have until Beth just told me. And then we have a wardrobe, and then I really thought I was going to come in and find you in the bathtub. So I'm quite sad about that. Yeah. And then they have a hidden Mickey in here in the little towels, and then the shower curtain is all Finding Nemo characters. So that's cute. And then we have 2 beds here, so 2 double beds. It's very, I'd say, like beach club, yacht and beach club vibes. And then a little birthday balloon for Beth. And then possibly the best part of the room is definitely the view. So let me go ahead and show you that. Beth actually requested this specific view. It's still a standard view room, but you do get pool and ocean as well, which is amazing. So look at that view. Oh my goodness. The weather could not be more perfect. It's blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. But yeah, oh my gosh, I love it so much. And the chairs out here have a little sea turtle on. Oh my gosh, it's glorious. Absolutely love it. So great start to our journey here at VERO Beach. Look who we found!
Hello everyone, I'm not Charlie Stalker.
She is. She literally said, I've got your location and I've followed you.
I was like, where should we go? Let's go to VERO Beach because that's where Charlie is.
Yeah, exactly. That's how you make all your decisions.
I know, based off of you. You know, she's getting the same tattoo as me.
Oh yeah, and I'm copying you, so I guess it's fine. Yeah. Alright, I'm so excited to hear though.
Love you.
Love you. I went to the quick service for dinner. I got the buffalo chicken strips, so they've got like loads of buffalo sauce on and fries. And then Beth got a cheese pizza and she put
covered in
parmesan
cheese
and ranch at the side.
Yum.
Yum. Okay, I'm excited for this. So we're just out on the front lawn and they play a movie 3 times a week, and tonight is Hercules, and you can hear the ocean and it's so nice and peaceful. So we just saw these massive tracks on the beach and we joked about it being a turtle, but it actually is a massive turtle here laying eggs, and we keep seeing its head move and like its little paws. They won't be called paws. What would feet? But you're not allowed to use any lights or anything, so we're just watching it. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. This is where she was laid before, and now she's over here. She's making her way back to the ocean now. She's finished laying her eggs. I think we've been here probably just under an hour. Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at her go. She's almost there. So close, Tori.
I'd go in with her.
Me too. She goes. Oh. She's got her head up. Yeah. She said, honey, I'm home. It is bright and early in the morning. It's actually 7 o'clock, but we're going out to talk to some turtle experts. So they have a bunch of different recreation activities, and today you can talk to the turtle experts. We're going to try and find out what turtle that we saw, thank you, nesting last night. Go bunnies!
The top egg. So we find the top egg, take all of our nest, take it off, and then after their hatching period and a little bit after, we will then inventory the whole nest, and then we're able mostly are all hatched eggs. Sometimes we don't have that. Sometimes they're infertile, so it's just a batch of eggs. Infestation, fire ants, crabs, tidal washing.
Aww.
But I don't imagine it's going to fare quite well since it's so low on the beach.
Yeah, and at different times, so we didn't know each other. Like we
found some broken, so it literally just looks, it's a ping pong ball, but it has a yolk, everything just like a normal egg, so they take their time.
Would it look like an egg?
It's a ping pong ball, so they're more round
Okay.
and leathery.
Oh, but not,
Like if you
wow.
didn't know, you would think you're looking at like a ping pong
Okay.
ball in the sand. But if they're males, they don't ever come back. They stay forever. Females come back, but they don't start coming back to lay their eggs until they're like 25 to 30.
Wow.
So it's a very, very long time. So we are curious, especially last year with the record number of turtles and the record heat, will most of the population be females? But again, we won't know that for a very, very long time. So
You don't know until they come back.
yes.
Okay.
So that's why it's very interesting. Like you have all this data from years and years, and eventually it will show you things, but it's not immediate. But because like it's the 1 in 1,000, so they have to hatch out. Just being honest, I don't think this is gonna work. It's too low. I think it's gonna get washed over. So they have to hatch, make it out of the nest, and then make it to the water, and then water it.
And the avoidance of light is for the...
Yes, and they go off of their like turtle mini. Hello. Hi. There's some right here still. Okay. But I didn't know if you wanted to look at those other two. I didn't cross them all yet, but I have to go back that way. So there's the free body pit one that's kind of cool, but it's near the end. I don't know how far they're from several times during the season. So they're laying all these eggs just to kind of maximize their chances.
So we've just walked back to where Tori the turtle, as we named her, laid her eggs last night. So you can see this is her trap up, and this is the nest. So they haven't cordoned it off yet. She was actually telling us that they don't have to mark every single one. They tend to just mark the ones that are in like heavy traffic area, or like there might be a lot of guest activity on there. So I'm not sure. They did say they were gonna head up this way, so she might mark it. But they said she has a pretty good chance of survival for her hatchlings because it's kind of far from the water, so the water's not going to wash it away. But they did say only 1 in 1,000 of the hatchlings survive, which is crazy. She probably laid between 75 and 120 eggs last night. So some of hers could survive, some might not. None of them might. Hopefully all of them do. We're rooting for all of them because we believe in her. Go Tori. So we've just come to the quick service for breakfast. I've got an Impossible sausage and cheese bagel. I actually do eat meat, but I do love Impossible meat as well. So, and this is our view. Like literally could not get any better. So perfect. Hello everybody, update for you. Beth and I decided why not have a nice little afternoon swim in the ocean before we go home. Let me tell you, that was our first mistake. And we went in the ocean and it absolutely took us out. I did not stand for about 10 minutes. You
were just like tumbling around and around.
It was like Typhoon Lagoon on steroids, like so the tidal wave. I just kept going around and around and around. Every time I would try and stand up, Beth would grab her hand out for me to stand up and I would just get taken out again. We both lost our sunglasses. You might be thinking, but you're wearing sunglasses. We were prepared.
Goodness,
we bought 2 pairs.
I also have a cut on my knee.
I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, Beth had an injury. Both pairs of our sunglasses missing. Beth's is exceptionally sad because hers were from Thailand. She just got them. R.I.P. Well, I couldn't breathe. I genuinely thought that this was where my life was going to end.
Laughing so hard.
So that was it. We got out the ocean and said that's why we like to stay by the pool, which is where we are right now. So we're going to be here for a few more hours. We're going to head home early this evening. Absolutely love it here. I literally, it's paradise on earth. Perfect. It's finders in paradise.
This is what I meant when I created it.
This is where you can find Beth in the future. But no, absolutely love it and would love to come back tomorrow. Sadly, the time has come for us to end the vlog and end our trip here at VERO Beach. It was such an amazing time. If you have the opportunity to come here, I thought you could only stay here if you were a DVC member, but you can actually stay here as a cast member, as a regular guest, etc. But it is a DVC resort. But it was absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to come back. Had the time of my life and so much fun, and I'm so sad to be going home. But yeah, I'm so happy to have been able to bring you along with me, and so thankful to Beth for inviting us to celebrate for her birthday. Let me know if you've been here in the comments, and if you have, what your favorite part of the resort was. I can't wait to come back. We didn't get to do the mini golf, which I was hoping that we would, but it's just so hot today, so yeah, maybe next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the VERO Beach vlog, and I will see you in the next one.